Hey guys, this is Akim from YHC Stock Trading with today's market analysis. We are focusing on the US stock market, especially today, as that's we often make the largest profits. So let's start by looking at the S&P 500 index. This index shows us the performance of the 500 largest companies in the US. So what we're seeing right now is an interruption in the rally uh, right here with a big red daily. So we are in the daily chart and with a big red daily candle on Wednesday, December 18th. Then we made a deeper low uh, in the chart, but from Monday, the 13th of January, mid of January, we continued the rally. We continued the bull run. So yes, as I said, usually with US stocks and also with crypto, with trades with cryptocurrency, we make the biggest profits. Now that's what we see in the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is similar to the S&P 500. We can see the same pattern, but it's clearer in the chart. The rally's interrupted. The rally's interruption is much more evident there, and so on 10th January or the 13th of January was a very good time to buy. So we bought a lot of stocks at YHC Stock Trading. We bought a lot of US stocks, also European stocks. Today it is about the US stocks, and we will take a closer look at some stocks. First, some blue chip stocks. We will discuss Apple, and I will show you some exciting trading ideas. So this is the Apple chart, and I don't want to talk about fundamentals a lot, but we will check the last few earnings. So we got earnings in November. We got earnings in November for Apple. There you can see the earnings and revenue. We got a revenue with Apple of almost 95 billion US dollar in November. The last revenue and the last earnings incoming on the 13th of January were pretty solid with a little surprise, and Apple mailed us sales of almost 125 billion US dollars. So from a fundamental perspective, we can say that a breakout from this zone at US at 220 US dollar and even higher, and that we are aiming for a breakout from this zone from 220 US dollar, and from the green marked support zone we still got around 235 US dollar is what we expect, and that's also what we see today with with a higher price. So we will start today's market with Apple at 246 US dollar. Uh, and yes, this is the trading ID, aiming for a profit around 50% or higher with Apple, with a short-term price target at 270 US dollar or 272 US dollar. But maybe we will we will have even higher profits, but we will see how we are doing there. But that's the first trading idea we are talking about today. So give me a second. The next stock we will talk about is Microsoft. You can see the chart here with the trading idea. Give me a second. So we will check earnings and revenue quick. We got pretty solid earnings and revenue with Microsoft. And Microsoft is just a very big blue chip, of course. So we are always interested interested to be invested in Microsoft, also for a bit of a long run. So that's the trading idea with Microsoft. So pretty solid earnings and revenue. Revenue about 65 billion US dollar in November, or on the 30th of October, and there you can see the last earnings and revenue from Wednesday, the 29th of January. Revenue around about 70 billion US dollar, with a little surprise, and earnings per share with a nice little surprise there. So pretty solid numbers, and a pretty good price to buy Microsoft at 415 US dollar, or we will start a little bit higher at 420 US dollar. And so we are buying, we are doing the trade, we are buying Microsoft, and we are aiming for a profit of about 20%. That's the trading idea, with a price target at 500 US dollar. So I won't show you every trade and every market analysis of all the stocks today, of course, but today it's also not about crypto. The next video maybe will be about crypto. Of course, there will be for sure there will be a video about cryptocurrencies soon. But the last stock, the last trading idea I show you today is Sentinel-1, a very interesting cyber security company, which also uses a lot of AI, what makes the topic very interesting. That's what I'm showing you right now. The stock of Sentinel-1. I marked you the resistance zone in red, and we are aiming for new all-times high with a price target at 35 US dollar. So this is a bit of a midterm investment. So we bought Sentinel-1 and we are aiming for profits around 50% with this trade, with a price target at 35 US dollar. So the way I'm trading is with a very good risk reward value. And yeah, that's it from YHC stock trading for today, guys. Make sure to follow us on Instagram and YouTube at YHC Stock Trading for regular insights, market analysis, and chart updates. Don't miss out, join our trading group where I post every single trade I'm making with stocks and crypto. I will show you exactly when to buy, when to sell, and provide detailed chart analysis for each trade. You can also DM me on Instagram anytime, or just click the link in my bio to join the WhatsApp trading group. You will get to test our service for free, and I will personally message you on WhatsApp with all the insights. This is where you see exactly how your trading is doing, how our trading is doing, and we'll talk about how we can make you some serious profits. So trust me, we are going to make bank. That's all from today. That's all for today from YHC Stock Trading. I'm Akim Adiadi representing the Young Hustlers crew. Stay safe and see you soon at YHC Stock Trading.